You think communication is only about talking? No. Your silence, your body, and even your social media stories, they all are speaking something about you. Well, in today's video, we are going to understand 5 types of communication that you would love to learn. Well, let's get started. Hi everybody, Sevaru, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal and Adab. I am Monica Limbu and I welcome all of you to Soft Skills with Monica, your space to learn how to speak up, stand tall and show up confidently without being passive, aggressive or rude. Well, let's get started. In today's video, we'll be decoding about the 5 types of communication as mentioned in the intro video. Number one is about which you must have heard and which is very common, that is verbal communication skills. Verbal word itself means usage of words. हम शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करके बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि मैं अपने शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करके आपसे कम्युनिकेट कर रही हूँ, आप उसको सुन रहे हो, यू आर डिकोडिंग एंड डाउनलोडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग टू यू, दैट्स व्हाट इज वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. जब हम किसी से फेस टू फेस बात करते हैं या कभी भी कहीं प्रेजेंटेशन देने जा रहे हैं, so presentation can be your PowerPoint presentation or a presentation wherein you are presenting yourself, you're expressing and impressing the other person somewhere or the other, right? Now उसी दौरान इसमें सबसे ज्यादा एक प्रो टिप है जो कि है आपका टोन, आपकी टोनालिटी. ठीक है, let's take 2 example here and post that you tell me which one did you like. Number one, hey, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Number two, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Now, if you see, amidst the 2 sentences that I spoke, I'm sure you must have loved the first one. A slight change in tone, right? And that's where I say carrying a smile naturally lifts up your deliverance. जब भी हम किसी से बात करते हैं और आप जब हंस के बात कर रहे हो, तो कहीं ना कहीं naturally tone पे reflect आता है. Instead of just talking like this, wherein you appear something like, who is a very dull, rude sort of a person, people would not love to connect with you. Number two is visual communication. Visual का मतलब है किसी भी चीज की विजिबिलिटी, विजिबल जो चीज होती है. इसका अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है मीम, infographics, logos. Or what can be the better example where a meme is explaining more than our own 1,000 words. Number 3 types of communication is listening. Hey, wait, I'm still two more to go ahead with. हाँ, सही सुनना भी एक सही तरीके की कला है. It's called an art. Now, remember it, जब मैं ये सही से सुनना, इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि you just wait for that person to end and you start speaking. It's about 80% listening and 20% talking. The more you listen, the more people will appreciate for your patience and will admire you. Like, this person is there to sit and listen to me, right? And that's actually one of the keys, you know, to save relationships also. Number 4 is written communication skills. Now, इसी में बहुत लोग मिस्टेक करते हैं. बहुत लोगों की आदत होती है कि बहुत डायरेक्टली मैसेज लिख देना, ये सोच के कि तो मैं ये मैसेज पास ऑन करना चाहता हूँ, इट्स जस्ट सेम. नो, एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट सेम. आपके सेंटेंसेस भी रूड साउंड करते हैं. और इसमें प्रो टिप ये एक है, जब भी आप ईमेल ड्राफ्ट करें, कुछ भी ऐसी ऑफिशियल या फॉर्मल राइटिंग्स ड्राफ्ट कर रहे हैं, प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट इट इज कूल एंड काम एंड कंपोज्ड. इसको समझने के लिए लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. आई गिव यू 2 examples and out of those two you tell me which one is the best one according to you. I have to send an email to you and I'll be talking about this video itself. ठीक है, तो उसमें मैं एक फॉर्मेट में ये लिखती हूँ, हाय देयर, बिलो अटैच्ड इज द अटैचमेंट, रेफर टू इट. ये तरीका ईमेल गया आपको. दूसरा, हाय देयर, this is to the reference for the class that we have had. Below attached is the attachment. If any query you have, if you have any query, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you. Regards, Monica Limbo. Now, according to you, which one is better, the first or the second one? बहुत लोग ये भी सोचेंगे कि मोनिका अगर मुझे सेम मैसेज एक्सप्रेस करना है तो मैं क्यों एक्स्ट्रा सेंटेंसेस लगा के एक्सप्रेस करूं, है ना? इट्स नॉट अबाउट एक्स्ट्रा सेंटेंसेस, इट्स अबाउट आपका जो टोन है वहाँ पे दिखता है एक्चुअली जब हम वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. राइट वर्ड्स एट द राइट प्लेस needs to be taken care of, and it's a formal writing, and that has to be very crucial. Here we come with the last types of communication, that is about body language. To remind all of you, towards the end of this video, we have a bonus tip for all of you out there. Coming back to body language, you will be surprised to know that according to research, and we say it as an Albert Mehrabian's rule, it is 55%, that is 55%, which talks about body language. It's 38% which is tonality, your tone. And it's just 7% which is about written communication. हाँ, अब जब मैंने written communication 7% बोल दिया है, that doesn't mean that your written communication should be pathetic. All right, it should not be. Well, body language is another factor जहाँ पे आपके gestures, आपके hand movements कैसे हैं, आपका facial expression कैसा है, आपका eye movements कैसे हैं, आपके eyebrows के बीच में ये vertical line या फिर जो आप ऐसे horizontal line create करते हो, जिसको हम eyebrow flash बोलते हैं कभी-कभी, वो सारी चीज़ें कैसी है, आपकी crossed arms या कभी आप ऐसे करके बैठ रहे हो, that's totally fine. You may be tired, you may be exhausted, it's okay. बट मेक श्योर कहाँ कर रहे हो आप ये, थोड़ा सा माइंडफुल होना ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज एज आई सेड दीज आर योर एक्सप्रेशंस, एंड बेस्ड ऑन योर एक्सप्रेशंस इट्स योर impression that is being created. And I often say, and I always will continue to say this, that जैसा देश वैसा भेष, very important. So remember, words matter, body language matters more. Writing smart makes you sound smart. Visuals create impact. Listening makes you win hearts. And here we come with the bonus tip. There are different styles of communication, and on the basis of it, we have four styles. That is number one, which is assertive, which is the best version of communication. Number two, which is aggressive, which makes you sound pushy and at times aggressive, a very rude sort of a person. Number three is passive, जो सोचेंगे कि चलता बनता भाड़ में जाए जनता sort of a person. And passive aggressive, who at times are like in a sarcastic tone, है ना, जो अपनी ही बात को थोड़ा sarcasm way में बयां करते हैं. Coming up next week, we have four communication styles that secretly control your success. And yes, in order to make YouTube Baba happy, do not forget to like, comment, and share to your friends who actually need to hear this. Remember this, assertiveness is a sweet spot. And with that, bye bye. See you later, alligator.